Good morning, YouTube. It's been a while since our last video because we got a new camper. We got a Class C.
Alright, good morning everybody. We recently purchased a 2006 Gulfstream Super C. See here. And today we're going to be doing an oil change on the generator. Alright, we have the Onan Microquiet 4000 generator. We're going to be doing an oil change here on. Tools we need are a 9/16 socket wrench, a T27 Torx tip, funnel, rags. I'm using 15W40 Royal Purple oil, and we're putting in a new air filter as well. We are replacing the air filter first thing. Just make sure you get the correct part number for your application. There are two different air filters. So for us, we're using the 140-3280. So you have one wing nut on the front. Filter comes off. The second wing nut holds the filter itself on. Air filter slide right out. Sort of. There. One gross new.
Big difference.
Putting it on is just as easy as taking it off. Just reverse the steps. There we go. One minute. Now that we have the air filter replaced, we're gonna move on to the oil. We need a T27 Torx tip to get the cover off. Close this up. Everything else is underneath. A little yellow cover under here. You're gonna take one screw out and then loosen the other. Just enough to move that out of the way. Now we need a 9/16 socket to take off our oil plug. Took about 4 or 5 minutes for all the oil to drain out. Now we're just going to put the plug back in. Get everything cleaned up. Now we're going to be filling it up with 1.6 quarts of oil. I have moved from the big jug, I've poured down to a smaller container so it's easier to fill up. filler cap has a little dipstick on it, so you can see exactly when you need to stop filling. Alright, so we had to put in just a little bit more than 1.6, it's probably around 1.8 quarts of oil. So just make sure you stop every now and again and double check. But as you can see, we're right at halfway, so that's perfect for us. Now you just want to start the generator up, let it run for a few minutes, make sure everything's okay, check the oil level again, and you'll be all set. And that's all you need to do for oil change on Onan Microquiet 4000.
Start her up.
If you like our videos, please hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and share any comments that you have. We try to get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys have a great one.